Hello there! Today we'll be painting this rowboat in oil paint. We've supplied a downloadable outline of the boat in the link above, and believe it or not, you can do this fun little project in about an hour. Start by printing out the outline in the lesson PDF and shade the backside with a 6B pencil. Next, flip the outline, tape it face down onto the canvas and use a sharp pencil to transfer the rowboat. Draw a horizon line and then some mountains. Create a mix of yellow ochre and burnt umber in acrylic, and then tint the whole canvas with this tone. I'm using a 50mm abstract expression brush to do this. Next, apply phthalo blue across the top of the canvas and blend some titanium white into this, followed by an even lighter band. This last band should be almost pure titanium white. Then take a clean, dry brush and blend all of the tones together so the transition is smooth. Mix some cadmium yellow with titanium white and apply it along the top of the shoreline. You can then mix this tone into the bottom white band. Applying it to these two areas avoids mixing blue and the yellow and creating a green. Green tones don't usually appear in sunsets, so we're trying to avoid this. After the sky has been painted, use the abstract expression brush to apply titanium white in random cloud-like shapes. Rough in all the cloud shapes and make them a little bigger when they are higher up the canvas. This gives the sky some perspective. While you're painting the clouds, it's a good idea to stand back and see how they all look together. You might want to leave your clouds fairly rough like they are here. Or if you're wanting softer clouds, you can use a clean, dry brush to lightly blend them into the wet blue background. If you overblend the clouds, you tend to lose them, so keep the brush moving quickly and stop blending once your edges are nice and smooth. Once the sky's finished, it's time to start on the water. I'm handling this in the same way as the background of the sky, only I'm using orange in the middle where the sun's reflection lies. Then apply your blues and white. And there you have it. We hope you've enjoyed this fun little lesson and are inspired to give your own rowboat oil painting a go.